So in a problem like this, we want to simplify and end up with all of our indices positive. So right now we have a couple of them are negative. So we have the negative one here, negative one here, and negative 3 beside the a as well. So what do we do? Well, first of all, make sure that we don't have any brackets and everything's reduced to the lowest base. Let's say to the lowest base, there's 25 here. Let's recognize that 25 is 5 to the power 2. And we're going to expand these brackets here as well. Okay, so let's begin. We're going to expand the bracket, which means that we multiply all of our indices from the inside with the 2. So this one goes over with the 2. So does this one. So does this negative 1. So we're going to have 5 to the power of 2. We really have 5 to the power of 1 here times 2. And we have a to the power of 2 to the power, well, a to the power of 2 times 2. So we have 4. B to the power of negative 1. And this becomes b to the power of negative 2. Okay. Our next term over here, we know that 25 is actually 5 to the power of 2. This is taken to the power of negative 1. And let's just rewrite this part. Not much more we can do there for now. Okay. So from here, let's see. What you want to do is you want to group everything that has the same base. So if there's a base of 5, you want to group with the base of 5 over here. So to start off with, we have 5 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of negative 2, since this bracket expanded would give you negative 2. However, when you have something like this, whenever you multiply two exponents together, I'm going to add the indices. So in the end, this will actually end up as 5 to the power of 0. Of course, this equals to 1. But we'll get to that in our next line. It's just really handy sometimes to just recognize this property over here straight away. So now we have a to the power of 4. And now we're going to do a similar process here, where back over here we just multiplied the two exponents which have the same base. And when you do that, you add the indices. So the 4 is going to be added with the negative 3, which means 4 minus 3. And we also have the b, the power of negative 2, and we're multiplying by this b to the power of 5, which means we're going to be adding 5. Okay, let's keep going down. Now this one over here, now the base of 5, the exponents with a base of 5, make 1, so we can just say that you don't need to include it anymore. 1 times anything is just that same result. So we have a to the power of 1. Over here we have b to the power of 3, which is of course pretty much just a times b to the power of 3. So I'm just going to erase this one over here, because we don't need that. And that's pretty much our final answer.